Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn a simple English reading tip. Have you ever stopped reading because you found a word you don't understand? If yes, don't worry, many learners do the same. Don't chase every word. When you see a difficult word, don't stop reading immediately. Keep reading and look at the words around it. Sometimes you can understand the meaning from the sentence. For example, Tom is exhausted after running for 2 hours. Maybe you don't know exhausted, right? But Tom ran for 2 hours, so you can guess that exhausted means very tired. See, you understand a new word from the sentence. Remember, you don't need to check every word in a dictionary. First, try to understand the sentence. If the word is important, then check the dictionary. The more you read, the more words you learn. The more you practice, the more confident you become. So, don't stop because of one difficult word. Keep reading, keep learning, keep smiling. And most importantly, believe in yourself. You don't need to know everything today. You just need to learn a little more than yesterday. Your English can improve one word, one sentence, one page at a time. Forget everything. You should feel I am champion in everything. If this video helped you, follow this channel for more simple English lesson every day. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing and never give up. See you in the next video. Bye bye.